it's our first time taking Eva and it's quite spacious. Maybe because I'm short, but then transiting in Taipei Airport. ASMR. So we walked the entire of the Taoyuan, the departure hall, just to see whether there's any convenience store, so we can, explore the convenience store. But there isn't, and then there is like very little store. I don't know, is it because it's renovating? So we just randomly found like a 牛肉面 store selling braised beef noodles, even though we are damn full. But just because we are in Taiwan, we have to try something Taiwan right. Boarding our second flight now from Taipei to Paris, and then we got assigned the exit seat for the very first time in my life. I'm going to be saving lives. It's going to be a 15 hours ride, so hopefully it's comfortable enough for me to sleep through. So we have like unlimited leg room, just that we can't put our bags on the floor. We have to keep it up and onto the what's that, the drawers on top. And there's this pillow, and then another pillow, and then a blanket, and then a headphone. So if you are going to be booking an Uber to go to wherever from the airport, you can actually go to level 3, which is the departure level, not the arrival level. Arrival level is at level 5. And then look for exit 16 or exit 18, whichever is open. And then you can get your Grab to come to departure exit 16/18. Yeah. We arrived at the hotel. It was about like a 20 minutes ride over here. So this is the room. It's pretty tiny. It's just one bed, and then the window, and then some shelves over here, and then that's it. And then the toilet is over here. Yeah, but it's quite affordable actually. It was only about 357 euro for 3 nights for 2 packs. And it's a motel with very high reviews. So let's see. But it's outskirts lah, which is why it's a bit more. It's a bit cheaper. Okay, we finally washed up and stuff. So we are going to towards the city center. So this is the metro station. It took a long time to get this train ticket because there was a lot of options, and then we decided to just go with the easiest, which is a one-way ticket. We're just gonna figure out when we have time and we are not so hungry. So this is the stop to our lunch spot, but then I just checked last minute. On Google Maps it says it's closed every single day except for Sunday. But then when I checked the Google reviews, I saw people still going yesterday and the day before, so we decided to just take the risk and just see whether is it really closed. So we were supposed to go to Pink Mama over there, and it's really closed. So we decided to just hop opposite to this place which sells crab. Cheese, curry potato, and then chicken. And then this one is the duck one.
And passion fruit coconut.
Okay.
And in the window we also have suggested bread.
More shopping. So pretty. The structures and everything. So we are walking towards the Arc just to take a picture. And then the Eiffel Tower is just there. Can you see? Walked all the way here just to see the Arc. But I don't even know how people take nice photo. I can't really capture it, so I gave up. Now it's time for dinner. Time now is 6, but it's completely dark. So we're here at a steak and fries place. It's about 25-90 euros for the steak as well as free flow fries and sauce. Walnut salad. Onion soup with cheese. Cheese, then the bread. It's a bit salty, but it's nice. Normal.
Nice.
Nice, huh? The fries?
Try.
You try the beef first?
Nice.
Nice, huh? Really? Better than the others that we tried? Or Mulu Mulu better? Jen jen jen. 8. This was what? 8 for like 26 or something. 25. This was the pistachio. No, this was the
Both are
pistachio.
pistachio. One with orange, one without.
Then this one is pistachio with orange. And then this was jasmine. This was chocolate,
Then
rose, hazelnut or something like that. Cashew.
Chestnut. I don't know.
And then this was some
orange.
funny one that she recommended.
Oh, curry.
Ah, curry. Yeah. It's like 8. Yeah. Now what? How? 6 a.m.
Oh, 8 a.m.
8 a.m. and it's still so dark. Every single time we wake up super early when we are in like a Europe country because we end up sleeping super early also. We slept about like 10 yesterday, so we woke up about 6. No, we naturally woke up at 5 a.m. This is the place we are coming for hot chocolate and breakfast. Apparently it's better than Angelina, which is like the famous one, as well as the other Cafe de Flora or something. Yeah, so we are coming here to try it. So this is the menu. They have like different sets over here. For example, this one is just croissant with bread as well as a hot drink, which includes the famous hot chocolate. And then this one will be like a very full breakfast with your eggs and your bacon and your ham and your juices. Chocolate by itself is 9.50 euros. Yeah. Cute.
How's it? Still not bad.
Yeah, super thick. But then I feel like I'll get a salted one super good also. It's not like too sweet. And it's like dark chocolate. En route to the garden, and then we see this. Really don't know what's this though. Probably some famous fountain. Pantheon. So we order our ticket through Klook because we were thinking maybe there will be like a express entry for those who already had ticket. We are at this like market, street market, we walked 12 minutes from our lunch place because we were super early, so we decided to just check out around this area. Looks really interesting. It's chicken. We are at Casa di Pepe. So they are like famous for their pizza. So this is how the prices and the different menu. So he ordered the beef one, which is the Genovese, something like that. And then I ordered the burrata. It's super huge. Like, don't know whether y'all can tell. Oh my God. Wow. I've never tasted such strong pesto before. This is the Notre Dame. It's under construction now because there was a fire. Jing, 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 jing. Going to the Louvre. So, oh yeah, it is 2:30.
Oh yes. This is alright.
Remember to book your ticket online so that the queue is much faster. We booked it through Klook and it was like what, $60? There's like some random long queue after you enter, so we're just queuing randomly also. This one is to the Denon wing, which is where Mona Lisa is at. Mona Lisa! An insane amount of people. That's the Christmas market, but there's a hell lot of people because it's like Singapore like that. Yeah. Okay, going into the Christmas markets. Draft beer, hot wine, chestnuts. Yeah. The traditional potato with ham and onion. This was 12 euros. So we are at this store. It's the name. And then they have very affordable perfumes over here.
Big red wines, the foie gras and duck pie.
So we bought the snails. This was like 6 pieces for about 12.50 euros. Nice. We bought the foie gras with pie, duck pie with mash, duck, right? Duck breast. So we brought the Lodray earlier in the morning and we're gonna try the flavors. We bought 8 in total. Hopefully we can finish because it's a lot. Oh, okay. This one damn. I think we ordered something bitter almond. Maybe this. This is the pistachio. This is the tea one.
Yeah.
This was... don't know.
This is Christmas.
Christmas... chocolate with Christmas spices. Rose. Orange, is it? Passion fruit. Good morning, everybody. So today, we had a cafe planned, but then it's a bit out of the way because our hotel is too far. So we decided to skip it, and then we will get the hotel breakfast instead, and then we will head off to the Paris factory outlet, which is the La Ville factory outlet, something like that. Yeah, it opens at 10, so the time now is about 8 AM. So we are going down for breakfast, and then we will take the metro all the way there. We are here at the hotel breakfast, so it's 31.8 euros for 2 people. Cereal here, coffee, fruits, yogurt, cheese. The temperature now is super insanely cold, but anyway, we are going to the metro stop, Metro 1 or something. Val d'Europe. Okay, just walked through the mall. It was like a 10 minutes-ish walk, and then you'll reach the place. The sad thing is that there isn't any sign, so just use your Google Map. Okay, we are done with our shopping, so we decided to try McDonald's over here since there's nothing else that's interesting, but the queue is insane. We ordered the sparkling lemon and the sparkling strawberry, and then 2 large fries because to upgrade it was about 75 euros, 75 cents euros, and then we got their French special, if I'm not wrong. There's the 2 royal variation. One is royal cheese and then one is royal deluxe. I don't know what's the difference. And then we also ordered this one, which we have never seen before in Singapore. This entire meal costs about 22 euros, quite expensive actually. It looks very expensive. So keen on it. And then it has a bacon and some pickles, and then the meat. Not very nice one. It's very dry. This was $9.75. So, hey, it's quite pricey, man. This is like the normal cheeseburger kind. Also ordered this one. What's this? Hammer and cheese and bread. You eat first, you try. Nice? I'm going back now. So we are here for the beautiful birds part. Apparently it's different way of breeding or different something. Okay. Mushroom soup. So cute. It's like 2 small cups over here. Wow. Then the liver crown. Here. Oh my god, is this my first time? Yeah, he's always making me eat very weird stuff. So I'm trying a chicken liver. The previous time I ate foie gras was with him because normally I don't eat like this kind of chichi-go-zai-doxi. To me, this kind of thing is chichi-go-zai-doxi. Maybe to a lot of people it's normal, but I really just eat like 很普通的 chicken parts, chicken breast, thigh, duck breast, 它很赞，我没有吃这些chichi-go-zai. It's quite nice. 不错，蛮好吃。 Mine was the chicken with the mac and cheese, so it comes together. And then this one is the krill with some ravioli. It's quite small actually. Actually, it's sweet. Very sweet. Okay, so today is our last night at Paris, and then we are going to Brussels tomorrow morning. So, what do you think of Paris? This is both our first time at Paris.
Okay, better than what people say.
Yeah, so like, I think a lot of people said like Paris is like very dangerous or like very dirty. There's like very strong stench of smell everywhere. And yeah, like I think that's all the words that I've heard before coming here, which is why I was a bit scared. I think just have to be careful of your surroundings. Just I think it was a bit easier during the winter because we can hide our bags in our coat. So like pickpocket wasn't a very key concern for us. But then the metro is quite scary though actually, because there's quite a lot of like homeless people and yeah, so I think just be aware of your surroundings, and then if you see any weird people, just don't let them, and then you'll be fine. Like people also won't go and kacau you if you don't go and kacau them. Yeah, overall it's a very nice place, and there wasn't any smell. I think maybe because it's the winter, I don't know. Maybe it's because of that. But there wasn't any smell. The streets were okay. I didn't see any clear-cut like scams. There wasn't much scams in like the touristy area as well. So I think we were really very lucky. Yeah. Shopping was great.